Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply mouse click effect in Camtasia 2024 or 2023. So all you have to just firstly record a video from Camtasia. You can see the record option on top. You have to click on this and record a video file, screen recording with Camtasia. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. So after completing the video, you'll find this video like this. Now if you want to add the cursor effect, you can see here the more option. Click on more and then you'll find here cursor effect. Click on cursor effect and then you can see all kind of effects here. If you want to effect the uh, right cursor, click on this, and if you want to use the left cursor, then click on this. Sorry, this one is right and this one is left. I'm choosing the left one, so I will just choose this one. uh, Rings, all you have to just click and hold and drag it to the video timeline. Okay, click and hold and drag it to the video timeline, and if you now see, you can see that it is working. Okay, where it is working fine, the effect is working here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.